In this lecture, you will learn about template strings. Okay, so template strings are a better alternative to string concatenation. So I want to show you by example here. So let me create a couple of variables. Let first name, let's give Ryan. Let's create another variable, last name, L name equals to D, and then let's create another variable called age equals to, this time what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the users to input the age. Okay, so let's use this prompt, and then we give a simple message. Yeah, guess Ryan's age. Okay, so we got these three variables: first name, last name, and the age will come from the user input. Okay, now how would we construct the sentence? The old way, let's construct this statement in a variable and let's name it result. Okay, we could say something like first name, and then we use the plus sign to concatenate, right? And then space, and then again plus, and then we could say last name, again plus, again space, again plus, age, again plus, space, years old. It's pretty awful, right? This is the old school way, but luckily we have new way. But this is how we would normally do, right? Let's give it a try. Let's alert this result variable. Okay, let's go to the browser and refresh. Okay, that's because I have this. If I want to use the single quote there, I can simply wrap this with double quotes. Okay, let's save this, refresh. Okay, it is asking for the age. Guess, let's guess 30. Okay, so we get the alert, Ryan D, 30 years old. Okay, so this is how we can concatenate the strings, right? Now let's try using the template string. So let's again create the same variable. Now this time we use template string. Now the first thing you need to do is use the backticks. Okay, so these backticks are on your keyboard on the top left corner, right below the escape key. So within backticks we can write whatever we like. We can have space, we can write whatever, anything. So let's construct this sentence. To embed variables inside template string, what you do is you use the $sign and the curly braces. Okay, $sign, curly braces, and here inside you can put variables. Okay, so we want to put the first name, right? And then we want space, right? Now we don't need to worry about plus and space and all that. We can simply have a space, simple as that. First name, and then we can also have another variable, last name, again space, is, and then again another variable age, which will come from the prompt, age, years old. Just like writing plain English. How good is that? And this becomes super useful when you're making API calls. You need to construct the URL. In a situation like that, it is absolute pleasure instead of this. Okay, so this is how you create template string. Now let's give it a try. Result. Okay, let's give it a try. Refresh. Guess Ryan D is 30 years old. So this is how easy it is and very exciting. It is one of my favorite feature added in ES6. All right, so this is your introduction to template strings.